up today, guys? It is Jesse back at you again, and I'm with Jordan today. And I'm sorry, it has been a long time since I've been on camera again, but hey, back at it again, 2022. And just a quick update, we got like 3 months until my next show. So like, well, not till show, but till prep. And yeah, so you guys will be there with me for that. And now today we're gonna go hit some back. And Jordan, what are we feeling today's workout with?
It's gonna be Build Pro Series.
Build Pro Series. It's some shit we found on Amazon. It's cheap, you know. I don't give a fuck. It's some pump ingredients.
$10.
It might make me think I'm doing better. That's all I need. Really. So let's go crazy today. We'll see you there. Yeah. But that shit hurt me severely. Yo, you ready to back today?
I'm on legs today, dude.
All around me are familiar faces. Worn out.
Oh yeah. Oh boy. It is as snowy as a hell, and my man's stuck up here. He is stuck. No. Oh no.
Oh, that guy's getting out the hell.
Oh no.
That means we gotta get out.
We might have to get out and push this vehicle. Alright, just checked and we're free to go. So you guys feeling animalistic today or what? Yo, we made it through the trenches. As you saw, those people were stuck, but they made it up, and we ended up having to go a few times, and we made it up. That's all that matters. Made it to work out. And you already know all the boys at the gym today because this is the only one that's kind of accessible. So, let's go ahead and kill some back, and warm up with some pull-ups. For sure. Yeah, let's see it. Hella people here today, so it's gonna be pretty good. Oh my God, Jordan, wait, stand where you were. Look how good you look. Ow, the gains are unstoppable,
Turning houses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not.
Alright, we did 3 sets of rep outs on pull-ups, and you only saw one, but of course trying to rush the things. I ain't gonna show you every little detail, but now we're going on to pull downs. We're gonna do probably 4 or 5 sets, and we're gonna make this our core main movement, go heavy on this, and then we'll get into the, the smaller shit, but, oh yeah. Let's see.
But I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness.
Also, a lot of people may ask, what type of training do I do? I do the bro split, just like everybody else. You would know the deal. I auto-regulate each of my sets. I just go till I feel great. As long as you have a good mind-muscle connection about your strength and like how much you got left, then you should be good to auto-regulate your training. Just don't be a puss. Go heavy, kill your shit, be safe.
You don't have to like me, got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to...
Right, as you see now, tarp ended up coming off, it's hot, and I'm pumped. So, we're gonna now move into some low rows. Jordan's still going at it. We just had our last heavy set on the pull downs you saw over there, so let's get it going.
Antiseptic.
If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you
Yes! Alright, we just finished our low rows, as you see. And now we're going to be moving on to that machine right there once he's done.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning.
Alright, just did last heavy set on the pull downs. Now we're going to go into some focus holds. As in, we're just going to pull it down, hold it, and really focus on that back contracting, just like he is right now, and then slowly back up. You'll see.
It takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters. They're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Oh yeah, Morgan, get it, man, come on, ah. Alright, now back at it again. We're now going into a different variation of cable pulls. You already know. It's like low roads, it's straight from the ground. Building that up attack, you already know the deal.
When everybody wants to be king, yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean, got some scars, got some...
You feel the pump?
I swear to God they all let me down.
Do you feel the pump?
I feel the ball for sure.
Yeah!
These fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who are all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Yo, boy, just got done working out. You already know the deal. Oh, shit. It's a literal blizzard out here. Look at this. Oh, that's cold. That's cold. I'm running. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's cold. Oh, there's the car. Oh, there's the car. Oh, there's the car. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, it's cold. Oh, my gosh. Dude, all that snow.
I think it's better without the prize, bro.
Gosh. Driftage. This is his way of cooling the muscles down, you know? Oh, yeah, you're looking great. Oh, yeah, this is going to be a great outro. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. This dude. Let's go.